Jirang Congress today received a major boost with the joining of leaders and members of the Trinamool Congress, the United Democratic Party, ahead of the MDC polls. Supporters of Victor Rani, the sitting Jirang MDC, who recently quit NPP to contest the election on a Congress ticket, also joined Congress at the gathering held in Patharkma, joining the new joinees. Congress leaders said this momentum would bolster the party's chances in the MDC election. In his speech, the sitting MDC Victor Rani lashed out at his former party, the NPP, calling its approach dictatorial.
Election, kalong election, kaba hadu kata-kata 4 years ago hapo ka Jirang constituency, bau sitting MLA, unyale padu sitting MDC. Pat kalong EP, pat ba be jong ka Jirang constituency, ka Jingsen Shar NPP ka de ka Jingsen Shar don board. Pon bakisno, kimat je kane ka jing bagi jiu ong yang aru. Babu kalong sisa kaba ba lalu ba Piwan Ram ya kane ka parti NPP. Ni hap rat din khang banta ka dei ka kabuk siar ni bau MLA hi unyale ya ka election MDC.
Leaders and members of the Imroy